Adding tags is one of the quick ways of getting your video recognised by YouTube and Google search engines, but it can be a bit long-winded loading them all in separately in YouTube's back end, and of course it's easy to make some mistakes. So here is a very short tutorial on the easy ways to load tags, with some obvious ones and with the less obvious ones that you may not have come across. You can add tags as you load the video, or do it afterwards by going to the content creator and edit on the video you want to work on. The obvious way is simply typing the tag, which can be a word or a short combination of words, into the tag area and hitting return, and it's stored. If you want to delete it, just click on the X. But the way I normally do it is to type in all my tags into Word and add a comma after each word or phrase. I can easily check spellings and rearrange them here, and when I'm happy, just copy and paste them into the tag area. Hit save and the job is done. You should tag your videos with words that identify what your channel is about, and you can create these as a set of default tags that YouTube applies to every video you load onto your channel. Go to Creator, and then Channel, and then Defaults. You type in just a few tags that would define your channel by typing in words or short phrases and hit Enter after each entry. Now there's a tag shortcut which is great if you've already tagged up one video with nearly all of your important tags and you want to put them into another video. Normally you think you just simply copy them all into the clipboard, paste it into your new video. But you try this and do the obvious by clicking on the first one, then shift click on the last one, you'd expect them all to be highlighted ready to copy. But nothing happens. They remain blank. What you don't know is that you have in fact selected them all, only YouTube doesn't want to tell you. So ignore YouTube's stony silence on the matter and go ahead and click Ctrl+C to do the copy, and then go to your new video and select Paste or Ctrl+V, and look, it all works. If you want to learn more of why you should be tagging and what the ideal tag words are, then go to my other video, Give Your YouTubes a Big Boost with Tags, to find out more. The link will be on the end screen in a moment. I'm Tim Foss, and if you found this useful, give it a like, and of course subscribe for more YouTube and video how-tos and tutorials.